Hi, my name's Owen Evans, Chief Inspector here at Estyn, and I'd really like to work with you. We're looking at recruiting across a range of sectors that we inspect at the moment. And what we're looking for is people who will share our vision, really, and our real appetite, which is always about putting the learner first.
Being an inspector is actually a really varied role. So in addition to inspecting across a range of education settings, you have opportunities to carry out thematic reviews. You work with policymakers and third sector organisations such as charities. You can work with other inspectorates across the UK and beyond.
So I think some of the main advantage, it is a flexible job. The fact that we're sometimes home-based, often out on inspection, obviously, but when you're not out on inspection, you're home-based, and that is definitely an advantage. I think for me, though, one of the main advantages is the fact that we get to see so many different schools, so many different providers and different settings, and get to experience what learning is like in all of those different areas. And for me, that's a real privilege of this job, that we get to go to all those different places.
A normal week doesn't really exist in Estyn because the work is very varied. So one week you could be on a core inspection, which is the traditional inspection. On a different week, we could be visiting a provider in follow-up, for example, and that work can often be more long-term. You could also be at home writing a thematic report, or visiting a local authority, or doing something like providing a paper, giving advice to government.
As a teacher for 28 years and a senior leader in secondary schools, the professional development that I've received in Estyn has been valuable and worthwhile.
So we're really keen to work with you. Please look at the website. All the details are there. If you've got any questions, please get in touch. But please apply. Diolch.